Now, this is one of the categories we want to pay attention to also. This is a major category, and it's called the financial claim worksheet. And I referenced it. What it is, it's how to convert the doctor's documentation into the 4 injury awards. And remember, that's the purpose of personal injury. It's quantifying an injury for financial compensation. So this is very valuable information to an attorney, okay? This is very good information. Most of them don't know the details of this. So remember, there's 4 potential injury awards. There's the medicals, the impairment, pain and suffering, and need for future care. So we not only want the documentation to support this, but what's important with this document explains how to convert the medicals into money. It explains how to convert the impairment into money. It explains how to convert pain and suffering into money, and the same with need for future care. Now, is that something that you think you should know? The answer is heck yes. That's the answer. So we'll go into this in great detail, but you can just see right here, this takes you through the formula of number 1, takes you through the formula of number 2 and 3 and 4. So that's what this does. It explains literally the documentation is how those different categories are converted into money. And then you obviously will know, do you have the documentation to support those categories? So you not only will know if you have or don't have the documentation, you'll also know how to convert it into money. Now, these are tremendous, fantastic talking points. This is not what doctors typically know how to do or talk about with attorneys. And remember, when it comes to attorney referrals, you've got to know and understand what they value. Now, as a chiropractor, obviously what you value is helping the patient. Well, that's not what's going to get you referrals. That's not what they value. Of course, they want their patients to get better, blah, blah, blah. But what's important to them is the injury award. So you do have to know the very basics of not only what documentation is needed for the different injury awards, but how to convert those injury awards. Because most of your attorneys won't even know it. So again, guess how valuable you become when you're explaining to the attorney how to convert the injury awards. You become very valuable, meaning you get the referrals.